ensure that everybody's like interpersonal skills and their communication skills are growing. Okay, so so because of that we are having these courses now. Coming on to how many courses we are having, and majorly like what is the ticket size of that and how it is gonna be measured. So it's like we are having courses that is primary courses we are having, that is for the students who are working like sorry studying in like school, and like they are at a very new age right now. And also there is a different course for a higher secondary student or college going students. Okay, like that is called like the higher secondary course that we are having. Okay, now the another course that we are having, it is the working professional course. Now there are like majorly it is focused about the corporate world, like how you have to be presented there, like and how you have to like how many skills which are actually required when you're working in the corporate, and even for the interviews, like what are the skills which are required, right? So on the basis of that, we are providing programs. Also, these programs are not only restricted to India. Like it's not we are not only catering in India, but also like outside India, we are having multiple countries where we are connected, and the students have been enrolled with us. Okay, so it's like that. Also, coming on to the basically what is the ticket sizes of the course, it is going to be starting from 50,000 something, like 40, 50,000, and it is going up to 1 lakh, 50,000, like that. Okay. So these are the ticket sizes of the courses here. Now tell me if anybody is having any questions, any like queries about the courses that we are having. Anything? Okay, if nobody's having, I'll just move on to like what is your job role and what you have to do here. So it is like when you will be coming here, so you will be coming as a business development associate, where your major role will be to generate the revenue and sales for the company, and also for your incentive making and your growth as well, right? So now how you will be doing that, and how like what would be your day-to-day KRAs. It is like you will be taking the video counseling sessions with the candidates, like with the working professionals, teachers, and like your parents, students, with everybody you will be taking the video counseling sessions. Okay. Now your how you will be going to do that, it is like you have to build the connection with the candidate. That could be the parent, with the student, and also like the working professionals. There are multiple people who you have to cater. Okay, so on the basis of that, you have to build the connection with them. You have to understand what is their need, and accordingly, you will be planning, like aligning the product with them. Okay. Now, when you are aligning the product, you have to make sure that what is their future plan, and like what is their career goals, and like you have to give them a path where they can work actually and they can grow. Right. So you will be the person. You will be their mentor. You will be their counselor who will be actually helping them out to just grow themselves in their career. Right. It's like that. Now the another thing is that what is going to be happen, that you will be the person who will be getting leads here. Okay. Now the leads that you will be getting, it is like highly interested leads that you will be getting. It is like properly defined leads you will be getting here. Okay, so it's not like that you will be doing cold calling or hundreds of calls in a day. No, it's not like that. You will not be doing that. Okay, you will be the person who will be getting leads, where like that leads will be the highly trusted leads given to you. Hmm? Now I'm saying this highly interested leads, because the thing is that we are actually working on our leads, where there are two teams who are working on the leads. First is the digital marketing lead, who digital marketing team, where they are working in the generating of leads. Okay, where they are running the campaigns of multiple platforms like social media and like multiple platforms, where they are actually promoting our products. Okay, and if anybody is interested, if anybody is having any interest about the course, about anything, like if they want to enroll in the program, they are doing the inquiry. Now when they're doing the inquiry, they are giving them their number, their email, and their name, right? So when we are having that, the lead is has the lead is in our bucket. Now after that, what is going to be happen now, there is one team who will be working on that lead, that leads. Okay, so the team is like a pre-sales associate who will be connecting with them. Okay, they will be making them understand about the company, about like basically how many courses we are having. Also, they are going to ask them to book a demo session. Okay, here we are also providing the candidates a demo session, which is a free demo session that they can have, and they can understand about the study pattern that we are having. Also, they can understand what is the like what is the curriculum curriculum that you are following, and even that course is actually relevant to them or not. Okay, so they will be able to understand all these things. So just research associate will gonna have a conversation with them. They will be making them understand about all these things. Now, once they have done that, they will be the booking the demo session. Okay. Now, when they are booking the demo session, then their like interaction will going to be happen with the teachers. Okay. Now, the teacher will be taking their class there, like where they will be understand, like making them understand about the curriculum that we are having. Okay, and what will be the subjects that they will be understanding, and all these things. Like so, the candidate is able to understand the course is actually good for them or not. Okay. So this is going to be happen once they have interacted with the teachers as well. So they are the highly interested person, right? Because they're already having the idea about the course. They're already having the idea about the curriculum and all these things, right? And they have also become a session. They know that like what is the course and like basically like are they able to understand the course or not, right? So these are the things that they'll be understanding. Now once they have done through all these process now, then the lead will come to you. Okay, now the lead is already about aware about all these things. Now what is going to be happen, you will be the person who will be giving them the guidance. You will be like taking their video counseling sessions. You have to firstly call the candidate and take the telephonic round where you will be like ask them a time where you can have a video counseling session with them. Okay, now when you are having the video counseling session, you will be like you will be understanding their need. You will be making a connection with them so that they will be able to transparent with you, right? They can be transparent with you, because when they are transparent, they will be easily able to give you a proper like insight of their future growth as well, and accordingly you will be the person who will be like aligning them with the product, right? So on the basis of that, you have to do all these things. Okay, so this is all about the job opportunity that you're having. Now tell me if anybody is having any questions here. Are you guys having any questions? Okay, so if nobody is having any question, I'll just move on to the another thing that I will just give you a little more insight about the company, about the job role that we are having here. Okay, and also what will be the compensation that you will be having, plus what will be like what is the timing that you will be getting here. So all these things I'll give you insight. Just give me a minute. I'm just sharing my screen. Okay, are you all able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so this is the
Yes, ma'am.
program, creating confident communicators. This is the like basically a
Yes,
mission
ma'am.
of the company. Okay. Okay, everyone understood. All right. So now coming on to why should you join Planet Spark? So here, when you will be coming, you will not be the person who will be just doing their work and like going home. It's like not, it's not like that. Okay, you will be getting proper like training sessions. You will be getting developing like you will be able to develop your sales skills here. Okay, plus you will be able to have a collaborative and dynamic environment in which you can work and you can just grow at the same time, right? Plus you will be the person who will be able to like get the fast paced career growth here. You will be able to have a proper like career growth that you can have within the next 3 to 4 years. Now I'll explain you what is the career path that we are following here. Okay, now the another thing that you are having it is the continuous learning and development growth here that you are be getting. So here we are providing a proper mentorship program that will be in the beginning of your like job itself. When you will be coming here, you will be getting the training, but after that also you will be getting like some mentorship programs and training like within the like tenure of your working itself. Okay, so you'll be getting proper training sessions, Plus, you will be able to make the global impact here. Like, how you will be able to do that? Because like you will be the person who will be interacting with the multiple clients apart from India. Like apart from India itself, you will be having like multiple countries where you can interact with, right? So all these things you will be able to do. Now coming on to what makes us different actually, so it is like we are if I just talk about for any other edtech company or any organization which is providing online courses now, so they are having a class where there are hundreds of students in a class, and there is one teacher who are just teaching, like who's teaching them, right? And what is going to be happen after that? That is like they, if they have any doubts, so they are having a different session for the doubts as well, and there are again hundreds of students in the class. But here, what we are providing them one-to-one online classes where there is only one student for one teacher, so the student is able to like can be more focused about their new age skills. Also, they are actually able to interact with the teacher with can like they can interact with the teacher very transparently, right? Also, like if they feel any doubt, any questions, they can ask and they can clear that at the same time, so there is no lag in between, right? Also, there is a when there is a one-to-one conversation now, so the like teacher and the student both are more focused about the course, and there is like more clarity about the course as well. So all these things that we are providing here, so it is like more it is more helpful for their growth itself, right? Now, coming on to what are we? So we are building global market leaders in the public speaking of the age group of 5 to 50 years, where we are a CSP funded company present in 30 plus countries. Also, we are growing 15% every month. We are growing like very rapidly here. Okay, like it's not the quarterly growth, it's the monthly growth that we are having. Plus, we are like we are having the employee base of 1,000 employees plus 6,000 teachers associated with us. We are having here. Okay, coming on to what do we do actually? So we provide one-to-one live classes on public speaking and creative writing for the age group of 5 to 50 years, where we are having a new age curriculum, top 1% teacher and a thriving student community. We are having all these things here. Okay, now, coming on to what is the new age curriculum that you're having. So, if anybody is interested in poetry, debate, storytelling, stand-up comedy, or podcasting, these kinds of courses, so they can be like enroll in these four courses as well. Okay. Coming on to our vision, so it is to be the global market leader in life skills development for the age group of 5 to 50 years, where our mission is to be to build a generation of confident public speakers and creative writers. Okay. Now, these are some locations from apart from India where we are actually connected and the students have been enrolled with us. Okay, and in India, like these are the locations, is green dots are the significance of that. So it's like from all over India we are connected. Coming on to our journey, so it has been started in September 2017, where Plantspark launched as a career, like basically career coaching. It was an English subject that we were having at the time. So at that time, we were only having like offline coaching that we were working on, right? And after that, like we understood that if we want to grow more, and because at the time we were only able to cater students from Delhi NCR region itself, because that is an offline coaching, so people can come from here itself, right? So like after that we understood that we want to grow more, so we have to come online itself. We can by that we can just like cater more students from that, right? So then we got the investment from FITZI in March 2018, where we became online. And after that, in December 2019, we again got the fresh investment from FITZI itself, because at that time we were growing. Then in January 2021, we raised a Series A funds, and after that, in June 2021, we hit our MAR and monthly revenue. Then in September 2021, it was a Series B funds that we have raised at the time. Okay. And then in December 2023, we achieved a 20% CM positive. Then in April 2024, we like reached to our cash flow break even, where after that we became profitable. And like in 2024 and 25 and 26 as well, we are profitable now. Okay. So these are founders, Mr. Kunal Malik and Mr. Manish Thupar. And apart from that, these are investors who have invested in Planet Swap. Apart from Bitsy, these are the well-known bases of India. Okay, now coming on to some astonishing facts that we are having about Planet Spark, and like that we are proud of. Okay, so the first thing is that we got the ABECA award from Ambition Box for the Employee Choice Award in 2026. Plus, we got second rank in top tech startup company to work for. We ranked four in top internet and product company in the mid-size category. Also, we are having the rating of 4.03 on Ambition Box with 400 plus employees reviews we are having there. Okay. Now coming on to our values and cultures that we are having here, and that we also expect you to follow them as well. That you should have a growth mindset, because when you're having the growth mindset, you will be the person who will be able to become a leader here. Right. Also, you should be a hustler. You should be innovative. You should have integrity, passionate about your career, and flexibility to work in the dynamic environment. So all these things are very important when you're working here. Okay. Now coming on to why business development is important. So it is like to build the relationship with the candidates, to build the relationship with your colleagues, with the stakeholders, with everybody, right? It is very important to build the connection so that the candidate is able to can be transparent with you, and then you can just provide the product with that, right? Also boosting the revenue and the lowering the cost. It is like you have to identify the opportunities within the lowest cost, and you have to boost the revenue through that. Okay. Also, you have to build and improve company's image, where you will be the person who will be representing Planet Spark, right? So you have to ensure that you are improving and building the company's image when you are providing them the insights of the company. Okay. Also, you have to be open expansion to new market. Now, here the courses that you are having, it is not specific to any specific industry or any specific domain. So you will be the person who have to be open expansion to every market, to every student that we will be having. So you have to be interactive, collaborative with them as well. Okay. Now coming on to what will be the role of business development associate. So when you will be coming here, what will be your role here? Okay. So the first thing is that you have to generate the revenue and sales for the company and for your incentives part as well. Okay. Also, you will be the person who have to make the connections with the candidates, with the stakeholders, with parents, with working professionals, with everybody. You have to build the connection with them. So because the thing is when you are in the sales department now, so when you will be able to make the connection with the candidate, then candidate can rely on you. They can rely on you, and after that only they will be able to fund it. They can fund it in you, right? So that is the thing that it is important. Okay. Also, the another thing is that you will be the person who have to do the need analysis and customer consultation. Okay. So when you will be coming here, you have to understand the customer need. You have to do proper consultation. You will be the mentor of them. Okay. And so you have to do all these things with the working professionals, with parents, with students, with everybody. You have to do that. Okay. Then you will be the company's brand ambassador. Again, the same thing, that you will be the face of Planet Spa. So you have to ensure that you're having positive and professional image while offering the while promoting the organizational offerings. Okay. Also, you have to be collaborative. You have to ensure that when a person has invested in you, so you have to ensure that they are having a proper onboarding of them. Also, if they need any help in operations, so for that also you are helping them, right? So these things are very important. Now coming on to the career chart that you will be having here, what will be the career growth that you can have here? Okay. So here, when you will be coming here as a business development associate, you have to work here for 6 to 9 months for that position. Okay. And after that you will be getting your first promotion, where you will be getting the a designation hike of senior business development associate, where you will be also having the uh, like salary hike as well. Okay. So where you can get the salary hike of 30 to 40% minimum of your salary hike you will be getting here. So this is the salary hike that you can have. Also, within the next 9 to 12 months, you will be easily able to get the position of assistant manager business development, where you will be getting the two positions. First will be the individual contributor, second will be the team leader position, where you will be having the team with yourself. Okay, that you have to manage. There will be people around 4 to 5 that you have to manage at the time. Okay, plus there will be salary hike that you will be having continuously. You will be having the salary hike with us. Okay, so after that you will be able to get the position of business development manager and then senior manager. Okay, so can anybody tell me, as a business development manager, what can be the salary of a manager when they are getting this position within the next 18 to 24 months itself, 1.5 to 2 years? Within 1.5 to 2 years, how much can get in the salary hike? What can be the salary of them? Can anybody give an estimate about that? Anybody can just give me the guesses.
Approx 15 to 20 lakh.
Sorry.
Approx 15 to 20 lakh.
Correct. So the salary that you will be getting here, it is like 15 to 20 lakh in between you will be getting the salary, okay? And I don't think so that is a like bad hike when you're only working for like 18 to 24 months and you're easily able to get the salary of 15 to 20 lakhs. Now the 15 to 20 lakhs of salary that you are getting, it is not the CTC that you will be having. It is the proper enhanced salary I'm talking about, okay? So there are like multiple brackets that we are having, salary brackets we are having for every particular profile here, okay? And then when you're working as a senior business development manager, because like obviously when you're at the position of a business development manager, you will be also looking forward for the new growth opportunities, right? So when you will be becoming a senior business development manager, you will be easily able to get the salary of 25 to 30 LP as well, okay? That will be the enhanced salary that you will be getting within the next 2 to 3 years itself, right? Where there will be people around like 70 to 80 people who will be reporting to you directly, okay? Then at the time of your senior like associate director